Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to create account on Spotify. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and open up your Spotify, and as you can see right here, you can sign up with any way that you actually want. You can sign up for free, you can sign up for phone number, you can continue with Google, Facebook, and Apple. I'm gonna continue with my Apple right here, and I'm gonna confirm via facial recognition. Now I'm in the process of signing with my own account, and as you can see, now I signed into my account. But in your case, if you haven't already opened that account, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click or create. First of all, select your day, birthday, and then after you select it, you get they're gonna ask you what's your gender, and basically add your name next, and basically agree to the policy and policy and safety, and then create an account and choose your favorite artist and favorite singers and favorite albums, and now the algorithm will be in your home feed. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.